What's up, everybody? Got the package in the mail today. I'm gonna open this thing up. And there it is. Bam. The North Fin 2mm Cichlid formula. This is the winnings from MCA's 100 subs contest. We also got some samples. What's that? Kelp wafers. I think that's for the, this is for the albino pleco, bristlenose pleco. But I think you stick it to the glass and the embona love it too. We got some jumbo. This the 6mm here. What else we got in here? Got this from Lisa over at Super Cichlid. She's in Delaware. Bam. Got a Super Cichlid sticker. Think I'm gonna put that on the glass. Got some veggie 2mm sample. Got the 3mm Cichlid sample. And we got something for the owner. Bam. Sweetest fish. And we got 10% off coupon. Don't try to steal my code. So yeah, I want to thank MCA again for having such a great contest, man. That was fun to watch. Enjoyed the big TV, enjoyed the lights, enjoyed winning this great prize, my brother. Definitely appreciate you. Thank you. And congratulations to all the other winners.